Two easy winter hairstyles using the Tangle Teezer for natural curly hair detangling brush and wide tooth comb. On blow-dried hair, you're going to want to start out by combing through with the wide tooth comb to remove any snags or tangles. The first style is a 2-strand twist flat twist hairstyle. You're going to want to take 2 strands of hair and twist your hair on the scalp by adding a new piece of hair with each turn of the twist. This style is great for those who do not know how to braid or cornrow but do know how to twist. You're then going to just continue twisting your hair until you reach the end of that section. Once you're finished, secure that section with a clip and repeat on the other side. For added protection, you're going to twist each section together and then twist it around itself to create a bun style in the back. The second style is also very easy and it's actually a 2-for-1 style. Starting on freshly detangled hair, you're going to create 2 sections in the very front. And then smooth the rest of your hair down with the Tangle Teezer detangling brush for naturally curly hair into a low ponytail style. You want to make sure that the ponytail does not tug on the back of your hair. Once your ponytail is done, you're going to again take your naturally curly detangling brush and brush to smooth out those front sections and then twist them. If you'd like, you can stop here and wear your ponytail out and fluff it using the wide tooth comb. Or you can take it a step further by using the naturally curly detangling brush and creating small twists in the ponytail. Depending upon your hair, you may end up with 4 to 6 twists within the ponytail. You can then secure the twist and create this cute and easy elongated ponytail look. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to pick up your Tangle Teezer detangling brush for naturally curly hair and wide tooth comb for all of your winter hairstyle needs.